Forgetting your saved password? Don't worry, I'll show you a quick trick to find it in seconds. Open the Google Chrome app on your smartphone. This works on both Android and iPhone. Look at the top right corner and tap the three dots. Then select Settings from the menu. Keep watching. The next step is where most people accidentally tap the wrong option. Now tap on Password Manager. This opens a full list of every account and password Chrome has saved for you. Make sure you're logged into Chrome, or this list will be empty. Here's the moment you've been waiting for. Tap the eye icon next to any password to reveal it. Need to log in right away? Just tap the copy icon and paste it instantly. No more resetting passwords ever again. Use the search bar inside Password Manager to find any account in under 2 seconds. If this helped, hit subscribe and check the next video. I'll show you how to export all your passwords safely.